do you think, Benji? Time for a break? Good idea. Anything?
I haven't found any butterflies, and I've looked everywhere. When am I going to see one?
Come and have a seat with Benji and me. How about we go on an adventure?
An adventure?
When Sullivan sails to the Amazon rainforest.
Whew. Oh, I think I need a little rest. This heat.
It's like being in a giant bathroom with the shower on.
I couldn't have put it better myself.
Do you think we'll find the blue morpho butterfly in here? This forest seems really big.
Only the biggest rainforest in the world. Did you know the treetops are so thick, it takes 10 minutes for a drop of rain to reach the ground?